Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for stopping back by the channel today here with the Rust Belt Mechanic. Today it's bright and early, 6:30 in the morning here in Ohio, and we're getting ready to load up the Duramax. Get that thing all loaded up. We're heading up to Perry, Michigan to meet up with Truckmaster and a couple other guys. We're going to be having a big old truck meet today. It's going to be a good time. We're going to be talking diesel trucks, lifted trucks, whatever they want to talk about. But more importantly, we're going to be interviewing some guys and talking to them about their tuning. I really wanted to get into tuning. There's not too many videos out there for that, doing comparisons between a bunch of people and what they think about their tuning for their diesel trucks. So stay tuned, and at the very end of the video I'm going to be describing a nice giveaway for my channel as a big thank you for getting over 200 subscribers now. Big thank you to you guys. Stay tuned. So finally we made it up here from Michigan. We saw the Enter Michigan sign. It should say, hey, welcome to Michigan. You're gonna need a new set of shock absorbers. For anybody who's got a long bed truck, all of the roads here are not the greatest. But here we are, here in Perry, Michigan, here to see all these really cool trucks up here with Truckmaster. So far it's the Chevy boys taking over. So let's go check out a couple of these cool trucks and let's go talk with Truckmaster. Truck I come to here, we're sitting here. What year is this one? Is LLY?
This is a 2005 LLY.
That's pretty awesome. So today we're going to be talking about some of the tuners that a lot of these guys have out here. We're wanting to see just a collective idea of what they have, what they like, what they don't like about them. And so what do you got running on your truck here?
Okay, I'm running the Edge Juice with Attitude. I actually bought this truck in 2009, and at the time I didn't even know E-Fi Live existed. So that was one of the deciding factors as to why I went with Edge. And like I said, I've had this truck for almost 9 years.
That's awesome.
And it works. It's not the highest horsepower producing tuner you can get.
Now, have you had very many issues out of it?
I haven't. About a year ago I had to replace the EGT probe, but I mean, anytime you're running something at 1200
we're pushing degrees, things to the edge here, so yeah,
go.
That's exactly right. So that's the Edge Juice there on this baby. How hard was it to install?
It was very, very simple. You've got the two master connectors for the wiring harness.
You just plug in the master there between the two.
And those connectors fit just like factory ones. You run I believe it's a hot, run it back into the cab for the monitor, and that's it.
Noticeable difference on fuel mileage or anything?
Absolutely. With the 5 different levels, if you pay more, you can actually get the extreme level, I think level 6.
Because everybody likes race truck.
Yeah, if you want to blow your transmission before you build it, that's the way to go.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go balls out. We're just going to blow the thing up by a new one.
Exactly.
All right, well, I appreciate it. Thanks for showing us. Let's go check out some more trucks. All right, so we're going to switch up the channel a little bit. We're going to go with Dodge here with Mitch. He's got, this is a
2006 Dodge 2500.
And we're going to talk about some of his tuning. If you zoom into the engine here, he's done a little bit of modification, we could say that. His turbo setup is insane on there. But we want to talk about the tuning. Once you got into your tuning, what brand did you end up going with?
Well, I got a hold of Derek Rose in Marine City, and he hooked me up with EFI Live. You know, EFI Live is hands down the best tuning platform for your 06, 07 Dodge trucks. I mean, you can, the truck literally tunes in about 5 minutes via laptop through an EFI Live
AutoCal?
Not the AutoCal, but the bigger one.
Oh,
Crap, we're having a brain fart. They also think the advantage of your 03, 05 trucks, you know, the ECMs don't support a whole lot of memory, so you can only flash one tune. Well, the 06, 07, 59s, the ECM has a lot more memory, and you can actually flash 5 different tunes.
It'll hold all that.
And it'll hold all that, and you can adjust to what tune you want.
Do you have a selector switch just like that? Have a look at that.
Right there next to my steering wheel. And I can select from tune 1, which is basically like a 60 horse tune, to tune 5, which is the panty dropper tune.
Now we're talking panty dropper, we're talking what, 250?
All of the horse torques.
All of them. All of them. We're talking roasting tires, shredding transmissions. Yep. That's what we're good for.
Yep, having fun.
How easy was it to do the upgrades of tunes? So I know you've done a whole bunch of modifications, and then once you say, oh, I want to change this up, change that up, is it something where you do the tuning, or are you getting tuning from another source?
Well, here's the thing. I actually have a couple options. So I could buy the device that lets me get emailed a tune, and then I can upload it to my truck, or I can just call Derek up and say, hey, can you have Ryan make me a new file? You know, I did this, and send him my data log. And then he'll look at the data log, make some fine-tune adjustments. I'll drive over after work. Derek will flash the truck when he gets the email. And
so I know you get the buddy discount, but usually when you do an up tune like that, what's that usually?
So I think it's only like $100 for a reflash. Yeah. But here's the thing. I ordered my tuning from Derek when it was still a stock injector, stock turbo truck, and then I did the injectors and I did the turbo, and I gave him a call. I was like, hey. Yeah, I just did these. Can Ryan adjust my file for me?
Loyalty pays.
Yeah, and he's like, right. Yeah, no problem.
Cool. And then your YouTube, so they can check out some more of his content, or your Instagram, or any other social media you want to.
My Instagram is 1045 Cummins, all one word, and then my YouTube channel is just my name, Mitchell Phelps. Right.
Thank you again. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Let's go check out some more trucks, guys. Now, last but not least, we have the infamous Truckmaster here to talk to us about his Duramax tunes. Let us know what kind of tunes, what brand are you using? Start with that.
Okay, so Idaho Rob is what I'm going with. I have the DSP5 switch. No, I don't have the AutoCal. I spent $600 for the. Apparently, you need the license. Of course, the guy that tunes your truck. So I went to Idaho Rob DSP5, 5 switches, of course. The highest tune setting that I have is 150 horsepower. The coolest tune I think that I have is the, it's actually, if you put it on the number 3 on the DSP5, yeah. It's the turbo brake noise.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. Kind of like you put it in tow mode, you know, for this, the downshift with the turbo brake as well.
It sounds so cool.
Now, when you got this, Was it really easy for you to put in? You know, just plug and play?
I actually paid the guy to do it. He's a local trans guy,
Mhm.
very reputable guy in this area. But yeah, he did it for me. I honestly don't know a whole lot about tuning, to be real with you. I know a lot about installs and this and that, but I haven't really gotten too much into the game as far as knowing exactly how to do the tuning.
So
But
you used Idaho Rob for it. Now, how'd you come out fuel mileage wise?
so right now I'm topping at 22 miles per gallon with the 35s. 20. I got the 20.
Bastard.
Yeah, they're 35. So 20-inch rims, 12.5 R20s
That's
basically.
nuts. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
with a big offset. So 22
So,
miles to the gallon.
Mine on the stock, just went on vacation, and that thing, just cruising down the interstate the whole time, I maxed out at 20. That's just
But then
stock
again-
on stock on stock.
But then again, Kyle, you do know about the lift pump. You know, you do the added mods because I think I would get 20 miles per gallon if I didn't have the extra stuff on my truck as well.
And that's what we're going to go for eventually.
Right.
Eventually, but we're going to do that. Well, that's awesome. Have you ever had to update your tune?
No.
You have not.
I
had
need to
do
though.
that.
I really truly believe I need to, but you can clearly tell when you put it on the DSP5, put it on the hot tune, and ease into it or get on it a little bit. Yeah, you're definitely going to pull a lot harder as if you were to put it to the third position.
Now you have a belt trans too, don't you?
I do, yeah,
So he needs to get one so he can put out that 250 horsepower tune.
yeah.
That's what we really need.
I'm not
to get
doing
to.
that yet. The weak link right now is the stock injector, stock turbo. So I'm really worried. It's not studded, so videos to come on that hopefully.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it.
I
Thanks
appreciate
for showing
you.
us your truck. This thing is the internet famous big old black beast here. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. Let's go over and have a look because I did promise we're going to do a giveaway. So this month, let's go have a look what we're going to be doing.
He's a great camera guy.
So here we are. The giveaway that I'm going to do for you guys this month is going to be for the diesel crate. Make sure you guys go over and check out my diesel crate unboxing for the first one. They come out with a monthly subscription every single month. For you guys to sign up, it's like $35 a month, right around there. I'm going to be giving one of these away for free for the next month. I'm going to run this contest for about 2 weeks, and on top of that, I'm going to be adding a $50 Amazon gift card because probably about 80 to 90% of the tools and parts that I review on the channel is all through Amazon anyway. So I'm going to hook you guys up with that $50 Amazon card and the diesel crate for, it'll likely run through the month of August because July will probably have already come out by the time this one's done. Make sure you guys like, comment down below that say, hey, enter me in the contest. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that bell notification. And thanks for stopping by the channel again today, guys. I appreciate all your views. Keep watching and we're going to keep on making good content.